Hi, welcome back to reading class with Miss Six. Today is Wednesday, September 16th, 2020. I'm going to ask you some questions. Yesterday we talked about being able to answer questions about books, and I want you to work on how would you answer this question. What is your favorite animal? Good. Maybe you said a dog or a bear or a mouse or a cheetah. There's lots of different animals. Next question says, do you have a pet at home? Good. Some people have pets, some people don't. That's okay. And there's lots of different kinds of pets too. If you don't have a pet, what would your favorite pet be? If you could get any pet, what would it be? Good. Thank you for answering those questions. Our objective says, I will be able to listen attentively and will respond to a question using more than one word. Remember, we use this sign for question because it looks like a question mark. And these are all questions that I just gave you. You can see the question mark at the end that looks like a hook. All of these that I asked you are all questions. And a way to answer it with more than one word is if I ask you, what is your favorite animal? You say, my favorite animal is an owl. That's a lot more than one word, right? So one thing we don't want to do is if I say, what is your favorite animal? Bear. See, you have to say the sentence too. You have to say more than one word. And that's how we show that we're using our brains to think like we're in first grade. Great job. And our text for today is called Clifford's Family. Oh, and I can see there's a really big red dog, and there's lots of little dogs next to him. And they all look like they have the emotion. They're all happy and smiling. So we're going to read Clifford's Family. Before we read it, some vocabulary words are family. We have talked about this a little bit, but family is, those are the people that you love. They can be related to you, or they don't have to be related to you. Like mom, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, dad, cousin. All of those are part of your family, and grandparents. Another vocabulary word is dog, D-O-G. And a dog is usually a pet. The last word is brave. And brave, just like this superhero, brave means that you're doing things even though you're scared. You're just doing them, and that's called being brave. Is you put on a big face, a smiling face, and you just do it anyway. You try your best. Now you're going to start this video right here, Clifford's Family, and my friend is going to read it aloud to you. And after you read the book, we're going to make a little graphic organizer. So you're going to take your paper, and this is called horizontal, where the long side is up, the short side is down. So horizontal, and then you're going to fold it in half so that the edges touch, just like that. Sometimes you have to adjust it. Okay, so the edges are touching, and you crease that side to fold it. And now hold it horizontal again with the long side at the top, and you're holding it horizontal so it looks like a little tent. You're holding it like that. At the top right here, we're going to leave a space to put our title. And our title says Clifford's Family. So I'm going to write that at the very top. Clifford's Family. Okay, so I have my title, and it still looks like a tent because I'm holding it like this. And I'm going to draw a line under that, actually. That way I can see it. Draw a line under your title, like this. And then I want to make 1, 2, 3 boxes. So I'm going to draw 2 lines in the middle, which creates 3 boxes. So there's one line, and another line. Okay, so this is the fun part, that I'm making the graphic organizer. I'm going to open the tent, see if you can see it like that. So I don't want to cut both sides, just the top side. And I'm going to cut on this line. And then when you get to the title, you stop, okay? Do the other one. Make sure you're not cutting both papers. And when you get to the line, stop. So now you have, this is like a little flip book. You have a little opening there, a little opening there, a little opening there. So this is your graphic organizer. And we're going to write the questions on the front. So the first question says, and you may need an adult to help you with this part. The first question right here, what is the text about? That means what is the story about? And after you read the book, you should be able to tell me what is the text about. And then inside, you're going to write the text is about, and then you draw a picture or write a word. The text is about a dog and his family. I'm going to draw a picture of a dog. Or try to draw a picture of a dog. Okay, so here's my little window. I open it up. The text is about a dog and his family. Yay! And so you're going to do the same thing. Write the question on the top for the second one. Write the question on the top for the third one. And then you do the sentence inside, the answer to my question. Okay. I can't wait to see how these turn out. So you're going to cut your paper just like how mine is cut. Draw and write your answers, and then send me a picture on Class Dojo or on Google Classroom. And I can't wait to see your finished little flip books. Bye!